in this video, we want to find the value of b. Now to do this, we're going to write this given equation as 20 to the power of b. Since they are the same, we can factor it out by having 1 plus 1 in the parentheses, which is equals to 200. So this can be written as 1 plus 1 is 2 multiplied by 20 to the power of b, which is equals to 200. And from here, you can divide both sides by the power of 20 to the power of b, which is divided by 2, divided by 2. And here, we're going to have 20 to the power of b, which is equals to 100. Next, how do we simplify this problem? Now, to simplify this problem, we're going to apply the rule of logarithm. So that is, I'm going to have log 20 to the power of b equals to log 100. Now, we don't know, we can say the base is 10 each. But to make it easier for us to simplify, here I'm going to write this given logarithm as b log 20, which is equals to log 100 can be written as 20 times 5. So here I have b log 20 to be equals to, this can be splitted as log 20 plus log 5. Now dividing both sides by log 20, log 20. So here I'm going to have log 20 cancelling out. On the left side I have my b, which is equals to, here I can split this as log 20 divided by log 20 plus log 5 divided by log 20. Yes, this is mathematically possible. So from here, I have my b to be equals to, this cancel out this, I have 1 plus log 5 divided by log 20. So from here, I can simplify this further. So here I have my b, which is equals to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 20. And I want you to recall this rule. This is what I got. When you have log a divided by log b, this is the same thing, provided they have the same base. This is the same thing as log a base b. So I'm going to apply this rule here. So here I have my b, which is equals to 1 plus log 5 base 20. So this is the answer for my b. But here there's a need for us to check if this is actually true. Now, let's check. From the question given to us, we have 20 to the power of b plus 20 to the power of b equals to 200. Now, and recall that we simplify this as 20 to the power of b equals to 100. We've done this earlier. Now, let's plug in the value of b. So this is going to be 20 to the power of 1 plus log 5 base 20. We want to confirm if this is actually going to be 100. So here we have 20 to the power of 1 multiplied by 20 to the power of log 5 base 20. We want to see if this is actually equals to 100. So here I'm going to put question mark. We want to confirm if this is actually true. So here, 20 to the power of 1 is actually 20 times. There's another rule that says if you have a log b a. If the base, this to the which is raising the power is the same thing as the base of the log, then we can say the answer is b. So in this case, I can say this is equals to 5, and actually this is 100. So taking this back, the actual value for the b is this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.